Here is a recipe for a simple yet delicious guacamole. I used it on a wet torta, and some carne asada nachos that I made during that camping trip. But it is very versatile and can be used on practically anything, or simply as a dip for chips. It is quick and easy to make. Simply dice up about 1/3 cup of white onions into small pieces. Do the same with a Roma tomato. Make sure you take out the seeds, though. This will keep the dish from becoming watery, due to the jelly-like pulp that the seeds have. Next, deseed a jalapeno and cut it into even smaller pieces. You can use as much as your desired level of spice permits. I only used about 1/4 of a cup's worth. Next, cut 2 avocados in quarters. I dice them up first because I prefer a bit of a chunkier texture, as opposed to a creamy one. You can throw them in whole and smash it all up with a fork if you'd prefer. Finally, chop the crap out of some cilantro and throw it in the bowl. The seasoning is quite simple. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Always start seasoning with a smaller portion than you feel you will need, and work your way up to your desired taste. Finally, add half a lime's juice. Give it all a nice stir to incorporate all the flavors, and you are all done. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned for more easy-to-replicate restaurant-style recipes and culinary tips.